That crust is electrolyte vapor escaping from the case seal, reacting with the lead in the terminal posts, and forming copper sulfate and lead sulfate crystals. The presence of that crust means the case seal has failed. Quality batteries with proper case seals do not do this in the first 3 years of normal use. Bosch S4 and S5 flooded batteries, the standard models recommended at Napa and most U.S. auto parts counters, show this corrosion pattern in 18 to 24 months on a consistent basis, according to consumer complaints across every major auto forum. This is a visible quality signal, not invisible aging. If you open your hood right now and see that green crust on a Bosch under 3 years old, the case is already compromised. Up next, what the number on the side of the battery actually means and why it is not what you think. Reason 14. The cold cranking amps number on the side of every battery. Bosch labels their batteries with high CCA ratings: 650, 750, some S6 ANG models claim 900. Here is what most drivers do not know. CCA is measured at the moment the battery leaves the factory. Independent testing of consumer batteries after 24 months of normal use shows that CA degrades on a curve. Quality batteries retain 70 to 80% of rated CCA after 2 years. Bosch batteries in the same independent testing retain 55 to 65% of rated CCA at the same age, according to data from automotive engineering forums and independent testing labs. What that means in practice, your 750 CCA Bosch is delivering 410 to 490 CCA when you actually need it, on the coldest morning of the year, in the parking lot, with a flight to catch. The number on the sticker is a starting point. It is not what you are buying. Reason 13. The Bosch battery you buy in America is not as new as you think. Bosch batteries sold in the United States are manufactured primarily in Europe and Mexico, shipped to U.S. distribution centers, trucked to regional warehouses, then delivered to the auto parts retailers where you eventually buy them. The average transit and shelf time between factory output and retail purchase, based on supply chain analysis, is between 6 and 9 months. Here is why that matters. Lead-acid batteries lose between 2 and 4% of their rated cold cranking amps per month while sitting on a shelf, even under ideal storage conditions. After 6 to 9 months of pre-sale storage, the Bosch you carry out of the store has already lost 15 to 30% of its factory-rated capacity before you even install it. By comparison, EverStart Max batteries sold at Walmart are manufactured in North America, and Walmart's high-volume turnover means the typical EverStart on the shelf has been there less than 2 months. You are buying a battery that has lost less than 8% of its factory capacity. Same group size. Half the price. Twice the freshness. Reason 12. The 3-year free replacement warranty on the side of every Bosch battery box. Here is what that warranty actually requires when you try to use it. Original receipt. Original installation date proof. Battery return to a Bosch authorized service center, of which there are roughly 1,200 in the United States, concentrated in major metropolitan areas. If you live more than 30 miles from one of those 1,200 locations, your warranty redemption requires shipping the battery back at your own expense for testing. Most drivers in that situation simply do not pursue it. By comparison, Walmart EverStart warranty redemption happens at any of the 4,700 Walmart locations in the United States. No authorized service center requirement. No shipping fees. Drive in, show the receipt, walk out with a new battery. Bosch knows that the inconvenience of their warranty network reduces actual claim rates. The warranty exists on paper. The redemption rate is far below the issuance rate. That gap is the actual cost of the Bosch premium that you never see itemized on the box. Reason 11. The Bosch tier structure that obscures real performance. Open the Bosch battery page on any major auto parts retailer right now. You will see 3 main tiers. Bosch S4 flooded, $130 to $160. Bosch S5 flooded, $160 to $200. Bosch S6 AM, $220 to $300. The S6 AM is roughly 2 times the price of the S4. Most drivers assume that means 2 times the performance. Independent testing shows the actual performance gap between Bosch S4 and Bosch S6 AM is about 25% in CCA and about 30% in reserve capacity. You are paying 100% more for 25 to 30% more battery. The ANG technology does offer real advantages, but only for vehicles with start-stop systems or significant aftermarket electrical loads. For most U.S. drivers in a standard vehicle, the S6 AM upcharge buys capability you will never use. If any of what we just covered is changing how you think about the battery in your hood right now, hit the like button. The next 9 reasons are the ones that lead directly to the $80 battery sitting on your nearest Walmart shelf. And the math that shows it beats the Bosch S5 you almost bought yesterday. Let us keep going. Reason 10. Who actually manufactures the lead-acid batteries sold in the United States? There are about 12 battery brands you will recognize at your local auto parts store. There are 3 companies that make most of them. Clarios, formerly the Power Solutions division of Johnson Controls, spun off as an independent company in 2019. East Penn Manufacturing, which sells under the Deca brand and supplies many private labels. Exide Technologies, which exited bankruptcy in 2020 and continues to produce under multiple brand names. These 3 manufacturers collectively produce over 70% of the car batteries sold in the United States. Bosch operates its own European production lines, but for the U.S. market, Bosch also contracts with North American manufacturers to fill local demand. What that means in practice, the Bosch battery you buy in Texas may have been made by a different manufacturer than the Bosch sold in California, with quality controls set by the contract supplier, not by the brand. The brand on the case tells you about the marketing, not about the manufacturing. Reason 9. How big box stores get batteries onto their shelves. Walmart, Costco, Sam's Club, and the major auto parts chains do not own battery factories. They contract with the 3 major manufacturers listed in the previous reason. They specify the technical requirements they want. They negotiate volume pricing. They print their own brand name on the case and ship the batteries to their stores. EverStart is Walmart's house brand. Kirkland's Signature is Costco's house brand. Duralast is AutoZone's house brand. All 3 are widely reported by industry sources to be manufactured by Clarios, the same company that produces millions of car batteries every year for the entire U.S. market at a fraction of the retail price. The factory does not change. The sticker changes. The price changes. Reason 8. The 2 specifications that actually matter and which one the Bosch premium tier is built around. Cold cranking amps C measures how much current the battery can deliver at 0 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. It is the spec that matters when starting a cold engine. Reserve capacity, RC, measures how many minutes the battery can sustain a 25 amp load without dropping below 10.5 volts. It is the spec that matters if your alternator fails, or if you leave a light on, or if your car sits for a week. Bosch premium tiers emphasize CCA inflation in their marketing because CCA is the easier spec to communicate to consumers. Walmart EverStart Max is built around balanced CCA and ARCs, with ARC numbers consistently equal to or higher than Bosch S5 at the same group size. For most US drivers, ARCs is the spec you use more often. Bosch Premium charges you for the spec you use less. Reason 7. The specific battery that does what Bosch S5 claims to do at less than half the price. EverStart Max, Walmart's premium battery line, available at every Walmart automotive department in the United States. Pricing on the standard Group 35 and Group 65 sizes between $80 and $110 depending on size and current promotion. Warranty, 3-year free replacement. Same length warranty as Bosch S5. Construction, lead acid flooded with calcium plate technology. the same construction principle used in Bosch S4 and S5. Cold cranking amps ratings ranging from 600 to 850, depending on group size. Group size compatibility covers more than 90% of U.S. cars and light trucks on the road today. This is not a budget battery. This is a top-tier battery with a budget-tier price because the brand does not pay for European engineering marketing campaigns, and the supply chain skips the transatlantic shipping that bleeds 6 to 9 months off the freshness of every Bosch. Reason 6. The independent testing that confirms what the price does not. Consumer Reports publishes annual battery testing across all major brands. Their 2024 testing covered Group 35, Group 47, Group 48, Group 65, and Group H6 batteries. EverStart Max ranked in the top 5 in 4 of those 5 group sizes. Bosch S5 ranked in the middle of the field in most categories, and the S6 AIM ranked competitively only when matched against other premium AIM batteries, not against the broader battery market. The cost per performance ratio, calculated by Consumer Reports as overall score divided by price, showed EverStart Max leading by a factor of 2 in most categories. These are not paid reviews. These are not battery industry sources. This is the same testing organization that recommends which cars to buy, which appliances to buy, and which medications to question. They tested the batteries. EverStart Max wins. Reason 5. The fundamental engineering reality that turns the cost difference into a single question. Every lead-acid car battery sold in the United States uses the same core chemistry: lead plates, sulfuric acid electrolyte, plastic case, and BCI standard dimensions. The technology was perfected in the 1950s. The performance differences between brands at the same group size are smaller than the marketing makes them sound. Independent testing consistently shows that the gap between a $90 EverStart Max and a $200 Bosch S5 tested fresh out of the box is in the 10 to 15% range for cold cranking amps and within 5% for reserve capacity. Account for the shelf time degradation that the Bosch has already suffered before purchase, as covered in Reason 13. And the real-world performance gap on the day of installation closes to within 5%. The remaining $110 of price difference is not buying you $110 of performance. It is buying you the German engineering brand positioning. The same chemistry, the same case standard, the same plate construction principle. What exactly is the additional $110 buying you other than a brand name on the outside of the case? Up next, exactly how to verify the right EverStart Max model for your specific car. Reason 4. How to find the exact EverStart Max model that fits your car. Step 1. Locate your BCI group size. This is printed on the side of your current battery in plain text. Common US sizes: Group 24, Group 35, Group 47, Group 48, Group 65, Group 75, Group H6, Group H7. Step 2. Note the CCA rating on your current battery. Match or exceed it on the replacement. Step 3. Walk into Walmart Automotive Department. Find the EverStart Max row. Match the group size on the label to the group size from your current battery. Step 4. Buy it. Walmart includes free installation if you are within 30 minutes of closing, and free recycling of your old battery, which has a $12 to $18 scrap value that they apply as a core charge credit. Total time from walking in to driving out, under 30 minutes. Total cost on a typical Group 35 EverStart Max, around $90 after the core credit. Reason 3. The receipt protocol that turns the 3-year warranty into a guaranteed redemption. When the cashier hands you the receipt at Walmart, do 3 things before you leave the parking lot. First, photograph the receipt on your phone. Send the photo to your own email address. The email becomes a timestamp backup that survives even if your phone is lost. Second, write the installation date directly on the battery case with a permanent marker. On the top of the case, where the cashier can read it during the future warranty claim. Third, set 2 calendar reminders. One at 24 months from purchase, one at 35 months from purchase, the month before warranty expiration. At each reminder, have the battery bench tested for free at any auto parts store. If the test shows below spec performance, walk to the EverStart Max aisle, grab a replacement, and bring it with the old battery and your photographed receipt to customer service. Replacement is free under the warranty. Most drivers never claim the warranty because they forget the timeline. The 2 calendar reminders are how you stop being most drivers. Reason 2. The 4 installation steps that turn a 3-year warranty battery into a 5-year actual battery. Step 1. Clean both battery cables with a wire brush and a cup of baking soda dissolved in water. The corrosion on the old cable ends will have the life of the new battery if you skip this step. Step 2. Apply battery terminal protector spray to both terminals after connecting the cables. This stops the chemical vapor migration that creates the green crust on the next battery. A can at Walmart costs $4 and lasts for years. Step 3. Verify the hold-down bracket is tight. A loose bracket lets the battery vibrate during driving, and vibration damages the internal lead plates faster than any other single factor. Tighten the bracket bolt with a 13mm socket until the battery does not move when you push it sideways. Step 4. Do not let your new battery sit in deep discharge. If the car sits unused for more than 2 weeks, connect a trickle charger or start the engine for 20 minutes to top off the charge. A battery fully discharged 3 or 4 times loses roughly a year of expected service life. These 4 steps together routinely extend battery life by 18 to 24 months beyond the warranty period. On an $80 EverStart Max, that math means 5 years of service from a battery that cost half what the Bosch cost, which the Bosch would have delivered for 4 years at best. And now the number 1 reason, the math that makes the title of this video true. EverStart Max, Group 35 size for compact sedans or Group 65 size for full-size sedans and most SUVs. At your local Walmart automotive department right now. Price after the core credit, around $90 for Group 35, around $110 for Group 65. Realistic service life with the 4 installation steps from reason 2, 5 years. Cost per year of service on a Group 35, $18. Bosch S5, same group size, at the auto parts store next door. Price around $190 after their core credit. Realistic service life under the same installation conditions, 4 years, based on the corrosion timeline, the CA decay curve, and the shelf time degradation Bosch suffers before purchase. Cost per year of service, $47.50. 47,050 divided by 18 equals 2.64. The Bosch S5 costs 2.6 times as much per year of service. Or stated the other direction, the EverStart Max delivers 2.6 times as much service per dollar. The title of this video is not marketing, it is math. Run that math across a 30-year driving career. Bosch schedule, 7 batteries at $190 each equals $1,330. EverStart Max schedule, 6 batteries at $90 each equals $540. Difference, $790. That is a set of tires or a timing belt job, paid for by walking past the Bosch shelf and into the Walmart automotive section instead. The next time the click happens when you turn the key, drive to Walmart, not the auto parts store. Group 35 or Group 65 EverStart Max, $90 to $110. 5 years. Done. The brand on the box is selling you European engineering. The reality is a 6 to 9 month shelf time degradation, a warranty network that does not reach most American drivers, and a price premium that does not buy proportional performance. The honest battery sits at half the price on the shelf next door. If this changed how you think about your next battery purchase, subscribe. More content like this every few days.